guys, today I'm going to be making some slime out of Johnson's head to toe baby. All you gotta do is put it in a cup. And then, just to be sure, this slime, it's actually where you can freeze it. So you freeze the baby wash and then it'll be slime, but then after it melts, then it won't be slime anymore and you can keep using it. And so basically you can freeze it and it'll be slime for like 30 minutes and then it won't be slime anymore. It'll just be the same thing you had before you froze it. So it's reusable, and if you want to, you can wash yourself with slime. I put food coloring in it. That worked pretty well. So let's put it in the freezer and see what happens. So I'm putting it in the freezer, right in there. Let's just take it and put it in. And then it should be done in about 25 minutes, 10-25 minutes. I just realized that you can put in the gel food coloring anytime you want. And when it's done, it should be white all through. So that's when you know it's done. So I just got my slime out of the freezer and it's looking pretty good. It's all chunky and white, but I just noticed that it didn't look white when it came out, so you have to stir it and then it'll look white. So you can never really tell until you stir it. Although maybe you can just take it out of the freezer every so often and stir it, it's fine. It's freezing though, so. Oh my gosh, this is such a good slime. It's just soap. That's it. Oh, and then when it starts getting warmer, it starts getting goopy. It's just kind of feels like mochi or something. Like rice flour. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so fun, guys. I highly recommend it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try and put some marker in it. What color should it be? I think I like it purple. I'm just experimenting. Woo. I don't really care if I ruin my markers. I don't use them a lot at all. Okay, there it goes. Here we go. There's your marker food coloring. Next time I use a marker, it won't be good. And what if my dad borrows this one? Oh my gosh. Ew, it'll be all slimy because it melted. Whatever. Put it back anyway. So it definitely worked with a marker. Wouldn't really recommend it if you use markers a lot though. So, nice pink color. You could use it in the bathtub, put it in someone's shoe, etc. So fun and relaxing. So, highly recommended. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching.